Yes, you read that title right. You can actually order a brand new 3rd gen Coyote engine straight from Walmart. There is no shipping, no taxes or anything else that goes on top of the price. So, I mean, I think that's kind of cool. Yeah, it's $8,700, but like I said, there is no shipping or taxes that go on top of it. So, I mean, I think that's kind of cool that you can literally order anything off Walmart, including a brand new 3rd gen Coyote engine. I don't even know why I pointed that. It's a 1st gen. But you can order a brand new 3rd gen Coyote from Walmart, which to me, currently, there are 4 generations of Coyote. I know that this is the new one is, you know, known as the 3rd generation, but the 1112s, to me, that was the 1st gen. The 1314 was the 2nd gen, because there is a difference between the Coyote that I have and a 1314. The 3rd gen to me was the 15 and 17, and the 4th gen that we have now is like 18 and newer. Yeah, I know that, you know, Ford, they said that the 11 to 14 was the 1st gen, but the actual engine was different. Now you can see right here on the website, has a picture of the engine, says how there's one left. It also has the description that says, you know, it comes straight from Lasco Ford. It is, you actually have a 30-day return policy. Now, let's just say you have to do that, you have to return it. You ordered, I guess, the wrong engine, or you just want to return it for some reason. There is a 20% stocking fee, so that's definitely not cool, because that's, you know, what, $2,000 just about, just to restock the engine. So yeah, it's free shipping, but if you got to return it, 20% on top of it. But look at that right there. You can actually return it straight to the store. So imagine that, you know, you are just going to wheel it straight in, the whole crate engine and all, and you're just try to return it there at the store. I really wonder what would actually happen if you did that. But that is it for this video. I thought it was just really unique that you could actually buy a 3rd generation Coyote straight from Walmart, and it kind of comes with perks from buying from Walmart. I think the one negative though is that it is, well, that you have to, that 20% restocking fee, which if you're buying a 3rd gen Coyote, you know exactly what you're getting. So hey, if you want free shipping, no taxes, and the ability to return it to a store, hey, go to Walmart. But guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and please subscribe. And as always, have a great day.